Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Kawasaki Ninja 500 motorcycle. The Kawasaki Ninja 500 is a masterpiece of engineering and design, blending power, agility, and modern aesthetics into one exceptional machine. As it stands proudly in a luxurious showroom, the striking lines and aerodynamic shape demand attention. Every detail, from the aggressive front fairing to the sculpted fuel tank, reflects the spirit of Kawasaki's racing heritage. The LED headlights gleam under the showroom's soft ambient lighting, emphasizing the motorcycle's bold presence. A perfect fusion of sportiness and sophistication, the Ninja 500 is designed for riders who crave both speed and style. The deep metallic paintwork glistens under the showroom lights, enhancing its premium appeal. The sharp contours along the bodywork create a sense of motion, even when the bike is at a standstill. The large digital instrument cluster provides a futuristic feel, displaying essential riding information with precision and clarity. The comfortable yet sporty seat design invites the rider to take control, while the ergonomically positioned handlebars ensure a balanced and confident riding posture. The exposed frame and engine components give a glimpse into the raw power beneath the sleek exterior. Every component has been meticulously crafted to deliver both performance and visual appeal. The dual exhaust system, designed with efficiency and style in mind, adds a touch of aggression to the bike's overall stance. The wheels, fitted with high-performance tires, promise superior grip and handling. The braking system, equipped with advanced ABS technology, ensures safety and control at all times. The Ninja 500's suspension is finely tuned to absorb road imperfections while maintaining sharp responsiveness. The fuel tank, sculpted for both aesthetics and function, allows for a comfortable grip, enhancing rider control. The aerodynamic windshield not only adds to the bike's aggressive look but also provides wind protection at high speeds. The sleek side panels seamlessly integrate with the overall design, maintaining a clean and dynamic profile. The attention to detail extends to the premium finishes and high-quality materials used throughout the motorcycle. The engine, a powerful yet efficient parallel twin, delivers a thrilling riding experience with smooth acceleration and responsive throttle control. The exhaust note, deep and resonant, echoes through the showroom, hinting at the bike's performance potential. The Ninja 500 is not just a motorcycle, it is a statement of passion and precision engineering. As it stands in the showroom, surrounded by luxurious decor and soft ambient lighting, it captures the essence of speed and sophistication. The showroom itself is a testament to exclusivity, with polished marble floors reflecting the gleaming bodywork of the Ninja 500. The ambient lighting is carefully designed to highlight the bike's contours, casting subtle shadows that accentuate its dynamic form. Large glass panels allow natural light to filter in, adding depth to the scene while providing a perfect view of the motorcycle from every angle. The walls are adorned with minimalist yet striking branding, including a prominent display that proudly showcases the name, Kawasaki Ninja 500 feet in an illuminated, futuristic font. The atmosphere is filled with an air of excitement and admiration, as enthusiasts and potential buyers admire the motorcycle from various perspectives. The showroom staff, dressed in stylish yet professional attire, stand ready to provide insights into the bike's features and performance capabilities. A digital display nearby showcases dynamic visuals of the Ninja 500 in action, racing down open highways and carving through winding roads. The images reinforce the bike's exhilarating nature, capturing the essence of freedom and adrenaline-fueled adventure. The presence of the Ninja 500 in such an opulent setting emphasizes its status as a premium offering, appealing to riders who seek both performance and exclusivity. Every angle of the motorcycle tells a story of craftsmanship, speed, and cutting-edge technology. The seat is designed for long-distance comfort while maintaining an aggressive stance, making it suitable for both city rides and spirited highway runs. The handlebars, precisely positioned, ensure that the rider maintains full control while enjoying a natural riding posture. The rear section, with its compact tail light and sleek design, enhances the bike's aerodynamic efficiency. The footpegs, engineered for optimal positioning, contribute to the overall riding experience by offering stability and comfort. The Ninja 500 is a testament to Kawasaki's dedication to innovation and performance, bringing together decades of engineering expertise in a single machine. The luxurious showroom, with its refined aesthetics and exclusive ambiance, serves as the perfect backdrop for this remarkable motorcycle. The combination of modern technology and timeless design makes the Ninja 500 a desirable choice for both new and experienced riders. Whether parked under the spotlight or in motion on the open road, this motorcycle exudes confidence and capability. The precise engineering ensures that every ride is smooth, controlled, and thrilling. The seamless integration of electronic rider aids enhances safety while allowing the rider to fully unleash the bike's potential. The lightweight chassis contributes to agile handling, making every twist and turn an exhilarating experience. The Kawasaki Ninja 500 is more than just a machine, it is an extension of the rider's passion for speed and adventure. As it stands in the showroom, surrounded by luxury and exclusivity, it represents the pinnacle of modern motorcycling. The attention to detail, from the carefully designed aerodynamics to the intuitive digital interface, showcases Kawasaki's commitment to excellence. The illuminated display on the wall reinforces the bike's identity, creating a lasting impression on everyone who enters the showroom. The Ninja 500 is ready to take on the world, offering an unmatched combination of power, precision, and style. The polished surfaces reflect its bold lines, creating a mesmerizing play of light and shadow. The presence of this motorcycle in such a refined environment highlights its status as a true icon in the world of sports bikes. The anticipation builds as enthusiasts gather around, eager to witness the Ninja 500 in action. The sound of the engine roaring to life fills the showroom, a powerful reminder of the machine's capabilities. The refined exhaust note echoes through the space, leaving a lasting impression on everyone present. The Kawasaki Ninja 500 is a celebration of speed, performance, and engineering mastery. Whether admired in a luxurious showroom or experienced on the open road, it remains an embodiment of pure motorcycling excellence. This is more than just a motorcycle, it is a lifestyle, an expression of freedom and exhilaration. The showroom, with its high-end finishes and impeccable design, provides the perfect stage for this exceptional machine. As the Ninja 500 stands under the elegant lighting, it serves as a beacon of innovation and passion. The reflections on the polished floor add to the sense of grandeur, making the motorcycle appear even more majestic. The digital screens displaying dynamic visuals of the bike in action add to the immersive experience, drawing viewers into the world of high-performance riding. The name, Kawasaki Ninja 500 feet, shines brightly on the wall, a symbol of excellence and prestige. This is not just a motorcycle on display, it is an invitation to experience the thrill of the ride, the precision of engineering, and the artistry of design. The Ninja 500 is a statement of intent, a machine built for those who dare to push the limits. The excitement in the air is palpable as admirers take in every detail, imagining themselves behind the handlebars, feeling the rush of acceleration, and embracing the road ahead. This is the essence of the Kawasaki Ninja 500, a perfect blend of power, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.